Hi everyone, I am Prarthana and welcome again my YouTube channel. Prarthana is here. In this video I am going to share with you some tips. Guys, if you are if you want to learn English, if you want to fluent, don't afraid to English. Don't treat like a subject. You only treat like a language. Yeah, when you start you face too much hesitated, face too much uh, embarrassed, like quit, but don't quit. You maintain your consistency. Don't skip, you practice one day and skipped 2 and 3 days. So when you skipped, then you again need too much practice, because English is not our mother tongue. This is second language. I have not an environment, I have no anyone with whom we are practice. So we practice, so it's need too much hard work. This is not very tough, but when you speak first, when you start first, then your brain feel too much harder. Then you mean then you practice, then you keep practice more and more and more. So we will definitely fluent. I know my English is not very good, but I when I speak, I not feel hesitate. I have not fear. I speak. How I speak? I speak. I'm doing too much mistake, but when I do mistake, then I become good. Like making mistake, not everyone become good. Means every English speaker, who learn English, any language, you do too much mistakes, but slowly become good now. So why I am afraid? Everything means what you do. So what you think, you all time think in English. I know first when you start you feel very uncomfortable, but slowly you you will make your habit. Guys, I'm using this thing. I was very poor in English. When I start learning this language, I was very poor. Means I not able to speak one word. I not able to write. I not able to uh, read. Means I was zero in English when I start. So if I can, guys, so why you not can? You definitely can. So keep practice, make consistency. Okay. Then second thing, when you watch any video like cartoon, so you on subtitle, okay, and pause video and read subtitle loud. If you not able to read subtitle, so don't worry, you only listen first. You focus your listening, then you try to speaking. Guys, when you do anything like when you get up, so you say I am getting up. So then when you take your meal, so you say I am taking my meal. I am taking breakfast, I am taking lunch, I am taking water. Means what you do. When you do, so you say I am doing this thing. When you done, so you say I have done this thing. You start using that thing. I am not fluent in English. I am learning this language, so I am facing this problem too much. I try to solve my this problem. I am practicing. All time I speak. I don't know how I speak. I speak wrong. I'm fumbling, but no, I only speak. You know, guys, slowly you feel. When you make mistake, you feel, yeah, I am making this mistake, I am making this mistake. So first you listen, second you try to speak. Don't be afraid about English. This is a just language. And if you want a very fast result, so you need to too much practice. When you practice more and more, you know, guys, speaking is key of improve our language. Speaking comes by speaking. Make my point, okay? Speaking comes by speaking. So if you not speak, so you not able to speak. And you, if you thought, oh, I am learn all things, I am learning vocabs, I am learn grammar, when I have done my all things, then I start speaking. So if when you start speaking, then you fumbling, then you fumble, okay? Then you fumble means, if you learn any language, so first need speaking. It's not matter how you speak, but only speak. What are you waiting, guys? Why are you wasting your time here and there? Improve yourself. If you have no anyone, so don't worry, okay? You have your phone, you on your camera and speak whatever you speak. But you speak and speak and speak. I am trying to my whole day I speak in English, but sometimes I speak Hindi, because when my when I speak with my family member, like my mother-in-law, my mother, because they don't know, I speak my own language, not a Hindi, my own language. My own language is Bagheli, so I speak Bagheli with my family member. But all time when I talk to myself, then when I talk to ourselves, then I speak English. You know, guys, my English is not good. I feel my English is not good. You know, I'm making grammatical mistake too much. I hope you are guys keep practicing and focus your speaking skills. Speaking is must, guys. Speaking is must. If you do anything, but until you not practice, until you not speak, so you not able to speak. Without speaking, you not able to speak. So you focus your speaking. Only speaking. How you speak not matter. You only speak. Okay, bye. That's enough for day. And I meet you next my video. Okay? Bye bye.